In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a backslash sign on any document using your computer's keyboard or your laptop's keyboard. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so for us to get a backslash key, go ahead and look for this key that is just next to the delete button on your keyboard, on your computer, or on your laptop. Once you locate it, it is pretty much simple. Just go ahead and tap on it, and look at that, the backslash key has been inserted. So you can type in as many as you wish, and that is it. If you want to delete, you can delete them. So that's how you can type or insert a backslash key or reverse slash on any document on your computer or on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.